How to block someone on Instagram if they already blocked you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Instagram even they have already blocked you. So sometimes you may want to prevent them from finding you again and interacting with your account. So here, let's get into it. But before starting anything, let me tell you that if someone has already blocked you on Instagram, you cannot see the profile directly and you cannot send message or interact with them. But there is a workaround if you want extra privacy. So here, with that, let's get started with the video. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to make your account private. So here, what you can do is simply go to the profile section and tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is just scroll down and tap on account privacy, and there you can simply turn on the private account, and with that, now only approved followers can see your post and stories, and this prevents the person from finding your profile again if they try. And with that, moving forward to the steps 2, that is to remove the suspicious followers. So here you can again go back to your profile, and there you can just tap on followers, and there you can look for any mutual connection or accounts that may belong to the person, and there you can just tap on remove back, or you can just unfollow them, and this will ensure that they cannot see your contact even indirectly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to block them via another account. So here, if you have a secondary account, then what you can do is you can simply search for the username and go to the profile, and there you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from there, what you can do is just tap on block, and this will prevent them from interacting with that account too. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to adjust story and tagging settings. So here again, you can simply go back to your profile section, and there you can just tap on the three dash icon. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is simply tap on the search bar and simply search for the story, and there you can just tap on message and story reply, and there you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply tap on security alerts, and you can toggle on this both option, and with that you can also tap on story replies, and here you can set it to only allow story replies from the people that you follow. And with that, you can also go back and tap on message request, and there you can simply set it to the people you follow or messaged before, or you can simply tap and select your followers as well, and you can just go back. And that's it. That's all about how you can block someone on Instagram if they have already blocked you. And with this, I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.